ask you about your short introduction, if you.
So, she's the producer of our short film.
I'm the actor.
She's Divya, the actor. Isha, sorry, I keep on.
Did you just forget my name?
Okay.
Nisha.
Nisha. Sorry, Nisha.
Okay.
Kill me. But I am Anurita. I am the lost one here. Sorry.
So-
And they both are like the producers. And madam, बोलिए.
हाँ, मैं प्रोड्यूसर से पूछना चाहता हूँ कि मूवीज की जब बात आती है तो आपने ये टॉपिक ऐसे क्यों सिलेक्ट किया है?
क्योंकि ये बताना बहुत ज़रूरी है अब सोसाइटी में. इट इज़ हाई टाइम दैट एवरीवन कम्स आउट इन द ओपन, कम्स आउट ऑफ द क्लोजेट एंड स्पीक अप whatever it is. This is one topic. It could be anything. It could be any kind of problem that you're facing. It's best that you come out and talk about it.
आपकी मूवी के बारे में कुछ बताइए.
तो ये मूवी is a love story between two people. Not necessarily कि it's between two girls or two boys. It is just a simple love story. It's a silent film. And yeah, the teaser is actually coming out today. It's come out already.
मैं एक्टर से
आप क्या कहना चाहते हो मूवी के बारे में? आप क्या कहना चाहिए मूवी कैसे डिस्क्राइब करते हो आप मूवी के बारे में?
बेसिकली ये एक बहुत ही सिंपल डे टू डे बेस्ड लाइफ स्टोरी है जिसमें कि बट द ओनली डिफरेंस इज यहाँ पे इंस्टेड ऑफ टू मेल्स अ मेल एंड अ फीमेल फॉलिंग इन लव, यहाँ पे दो लड़कियों के बीच में जो प्यार है उसको दिखाया गया है. इट्स अ साइलेंट फिल्म जहाँ पे देर आर नो वर्ड्स दैट्स यूज्ड, बट वो खुद में इतना पावरफुल है दैट वी डोंट नीड वर्ड्स. एंड दिस इज अ टुडे स्टोरी वेयर it's high time, as Nisha said, that these things are happening in the society और उसको एक सही तरीके से दिखाना बहुत ज़रूरी है. बिकॉज जितनी भी शॉर्ट फिल्में ऑन गे और सेक्सुअलिटी पे बनी है, सॉरी
On gays, yeah.
ऑन गेज पे बनी है, उसमें मोस्टली इट्स वेरी सेक्सुअल ओरिएंटेड, जहाँ पे कि अ लॉट ऑफ कंटेंट इज फिजिकल बेस्ड. बट जो हमारी फिल्म है इट्स अ वेरी स्वीट लव स्टोरी जहाँ पे the essence of love is it's very powerfully shown.
See, and and what we are trying to say through, so when the director had given me a narration for the first time when I met him, so he was like, he did not really say mention कि हाँ ये LGBT story है. He said it's just a love story. And then he went about talking about it, and I think it kind of happened with all of us, and when we heard it we just loved the subject.
Yes.
And also his viewpoint, because a lot वो एक story कोई भी हो सकती है, but depends कौन बता रहा है और कैसे बता रहा है. So the way he has told it is very beautifully, very subtly, and he has tried to bring out see, because what happens if it's and this problem is not just in India. I think worldwide
It's
we
worldwide,
are
yes.
facing this issue. And people are forever struggling how to come out, first of all to accept to yourself that you are either a gay or a lesbian or LGBTQ, whatever. And then after you accept it for yourself, how to come out to your friends, how to come out to your family, then to the society. And it's a very big step on a daily basis. Like, all of us have a lot of issues, but imagine if you have to go out every day and if you feel ki I might have to explain myself over and over again because people are just not accepting me the way I am. So it is a lot about accepting yourself and coming out about it.
कितना कुछ प्रिपरेशन किया था आपने और कितना चैलेंजिंग था?
So preparation थी because challenging भी था because all of us involved in the project are straight in our sexual orientation. But
लोग सिंपल सीधे साधे लोग हैं.
So it was a little difficult. It was not difficult to understand because feelings are feelings and love is love.
Love is
Like
love,
if
yes.
I love you, I just love you. It doesn't really matter whether it's just
Yes.
that.
Yeah.
So and of course we did have a few workshops with Raj where Raj was like Raj, she's our director, and he made us go back into time. You know, you think about how probably the character has come to the stage that he has come into. So how to, because it is a silent film all the more, शायद dialogues होते तो हमको preparation शायद थोड़ी कम होती, but this was all about, because you can't talk, there are no dialogues, it has to come from within.
Yeah.
So he helped us internalize.
For me,
Yeah.
it was a difficult till the time I was not on this shooting day.
Yeah.
For me, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि हो जाएगा, because पहले बहुत सारी फिल्म्स किए हैं और रोमांस भी किया है, लेकिन मतलब और सी when हम राज जो हमारे डायरेक्टर हैं, उसने हमें बहुत बार कॉफी शॉप्स में मिलाया, कहा कि आप लोग मिलो, बात करो, स्पेंड टाइम, तो हम
गाने
मिले,
गाए।
but हाँ, there was a certain awkwardness.
Yeah.
Doing like coffee shop में बैठ के दो लड़कियां हाथ पकड़ के, I mean how awkward it is, you know. But I mean we tried, I tried, she tried, but there was कहीं ना कहीं मेरे मन में था, I don't know about her, but there was some apprehension inside. And on the day of the shoot, I was scared. I was so conscious. I was really conscious in front of the camera, which is not me. मतलब मुझे इसको देख के I had to, you know, romanticize her, looking into
Yeah.
her eyes, and I had to fall in love with her. And I was like, why am I getting conscious, you know? And then I said, so then I thought of somebody else, and she's sitting there.
Oh, that we did not know.
Yeah, so as an actor you do these things because there are shots where you really, क्योंकि silent film है, there are no words, so you, आप जो feel कर रहे हैं वो दिखेगा, तो you have to feel it. तो मुश्किल था मेरे
And the
लिए, पर
chemistry
मजा
had
आया.
to come.
हाँ, मैं chemistry had to come, but
Yeah.
बहुत मजा आया because you know when you get to do these kind of things, it's challenging. आप फिर नई चीजें निकल के आती हैं आपके अंदर से, you know. So
So
मजा आया.
by the time I met her, मेरे थोड़े interactions हो चुके थे राज के साथ, and we'd already done, you
Yeah.
know, kind of the
I have
workshop.
to
So I
tell you-
was pretty set in the thing.
She played a prank on me. Can I tell that?
Yeah, yeah.
Yes, of course.
So,
So-
the first time we met, she's like, by the way, I'm a lesbian, and I have a partner, and I hope you're okay with that. और भी कुछ बोला था मैडम ने.
The partner was supposed to be me.
हाँ, she was the
I was the
partner.
partner.
तो मैंने कहा अच्छा, एक बार को मैंने सोचा ओके, फिर then बाद में पूछती है weren't you scared of it? I said scared तो नहीं थी,
Yeah.
पर थोड़ा अजीब लगा था. मैंने कहा अच्छा, but it's fun, it was fun. That broke the ice, but it was fun. Yeah.
आपका कैसा एक्सपीरियंस था फर्स्ट डे?
So this is my first ever venture. मेरा background is a food background, and we both decided actually over a jog. We are friends, and she said one script has come my way. Do you want to have a look at it? I read it, and in 4 days we finalized. I was on board. So मेरे लिए it's a first experience. It was very exciting when I was on set, and सब देखना इनका very talented girls, both of them, and very very exciting, very overwhelming. Amazing, great experience.
ओके, क्या आपको एक्साइट किया इस मूवी में, क्योंकि आपने पहले भी मूवी की है वो काफ़ी अलग थी और एक टॉपिक भी बहुत डिफरेंट है, ऊपर से साइलेंट मूवी है, तो ऐसा क्या था जो जिसने आपको मजबूर किया, मतलब
मजबूर
मजबूर नहीं किया,
बहुत मजबूरी थी मेरी, क्या बताऊं.
हाँ,
दूध रोटी नहीं मिल रहा था.
ऐसा कौन सा part है जिससे आपको फील हुआ कि इसमें एक्ट करना चाहिए और आपको लगा कि इसको प्रोड्यूस करना चाहिए?
मुझे subject, because like I said, the subject is so strong, it had to be told. It is something जो बाहर आके बताए दुनिया की this is okay, it's normal. Two people can fall in love, it's normal. So it was just based on the script that I came on board.
And I really, you know, दाद देनी पड़ेगी दोनों की, that you know first time they both have produced it, और इतना strong, she's acted and she's produced. Okay. So she's produced. It's a very, you know, nowadays people on YouTube make films जो कि as I said बिकती हैं, जो you know, जो कि बहुत जल्दी पैसे कमाती हैं. लोग YouTube के लिए वैसी फिल्में बनाते हैं. कोई ऐसा नहीं सोचता है कि let's make a good film without thinking that it will make money or not. So she's really has, I mean,
Yes,
really
I
congratulate
know.
to her that she took that step and made this film. And मैंने यहाँ क्यों बोला, क्या आपने पूछा था?
आपको फील हुआ कि इसमें एक्ट करना चाहिए, ऐसे कोई script?
क्यों एक्ट करना चाहिए था? क्योंकि मेरा सबसे बड़ा इम्पोर्टेंट रीज़न ये था कि इसमें ऑब्वियस दिखाई नहीं गई थी चीज़ें, जो सेक्सुअल चीज़ें हैं, वो जो हर लेस्बियन और गे वाली फिल्मों में दिखाते हैं वो इसमें नहीं था। ये बहुत ही स्वीट लव स्टोरी थी जो कि किसी के साथ भी हो सकता है। मैं आज अपनी दोस्त को भी मिस कर सकती हूँ जो किसी कारण मेरे साथ नहीं है, यू नो। तो ये बहुत दो लड़कियों के बीच की एक ऐसी ब्यूटीफुल लव स्टोरी थी जो कि आई वॉज फीलिंग इट वेरी स्ट्रांगली एंड आई वॉन्टेड टू डू इट। एंड ऑल्सो द डायरेक्टर ही वॉज वेरी स्वीट, बहुत प्यार से समझाता रहता था, ऐसे करो तुम लोग साथ में। मुझे लगता थी मतलब वो ना छोटा सा बेबी नहीं होता, डायरेक्टर्स वैसे होते नहीं है, दे आर वेरी लाइक यू नो वेरी स्ट्रिक्ट एंड सो ऋषि इज वेरी स्वीट। तो मैंने कहा अच्छा आई रियली वांट टू वर्क विद हिम, सो एंड हिज विजन वाज वेरी क्लियर, सो इट वाज
Yeah.
फन।
सो आप दोनों से मैं पूछना चाहता हूँ कि ऐसा कोई सीन था जहाँ पर आपको ज़्यादा सोचना पड़ा, कोई
वो
ज़्यादा
कट गया नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं।
Yes.
नो मतलब ज़्यादा सोचना पड़ा किस सेंस में?
स्क्रिप्ट को रियलिटी में लाने के लिए ऐसा कोई
सी आप वंस यू आर इन दैट स्पेस फिर सोचने की ज़रूरत नहीं है। उस वहाँ तक पहुँचने के पहले डेफिनेटली सोचना पड़ा कि आप जब जैसे मैंने कहा पहले दिन शूट में थोड़ा ऑकवर्डनेस था, थोड़ा डरी हुई थी, लेकिन वंस हमने स्टार्ट कर दिया तो फिर इट वाज वेरी नाइस बिकॉज ज़्यादा लोग नहीं थे शूट पे, इट वाज अ क्लोज्ड शूट एंड वेरी कंफर्टेबल।
Very close knit,
Yeah,
and I think excellent people
Yes.
came on board.
The cinematographer
So,
or
Yeah, DOP
Yeah,
was amazing.
yeah.
and she was taking care of us by feeding us food,
Yeah.
kalo.
Yes.
So it was so much fun, I remember it.
Yes, the Doodh Roti.
Yeah,
I cannot forget that.
आपके हिसाब से ऑडियंस कितना रिलेट कर पाएगी?
मुझे ऐसा लगता है same.
I think कर पाएगी for sure because अभी that awareness आ गया है. People know that some things like this do exist. So people will. It is not on the face नहीं है. It's बहुत simple film है, बहुत ही clean film है. People will definitely relate to it.
यूएसपी के बारे में बताएं, यूनिक चीज़।
Silent film.
Yeah.
That's the USP of it.
ओके
मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जो आपने बोला ना लोगों को पसंद आएगी, नहीं बहुत सारे लोगों को बहुत अलग रीजंस के लिए पसंद आएगी। जैसे हम किसी फिल्म में किसी कोई ब्रेकअप सीन दिखाते हैं तो हर इंसान जिसका ब्रेकअप हुआ रहता है वो उस टाइम पे उससे कनेक्ट ज़रूर करता है। तो वैसे इस फिल्म में जो बहुत ही सिंपल और बहुत ही स्वीट फिल्म है, जब ये मुझे थोड़ा सा बता सकती हूँ मैं याद करके, शी इज़ अनहैप्पी इन अ लाइफ एंड वो मेरे बारे में सोच के शी इज गोइंग थ्रू दैट पेन। तो कोई भी इंसान जिसने रियलिटी में प्यार किया होगा, चाहे वो लड़के से हो या लड़की से हो, they will definitely connect at that point. They will definitely connect to the fact that oh you know इस तरह का प्यार भी होता है, so that is definitely जहाँ पे लोग connect करेंगे।
ओके
It's a very strong point.
6 इंटरनेशनल अवार्ड जीते, ऊपर से कशिश में भी शोकेस हुई थी, तो क्या कुछ
Okay,
कहना
okay, we
चाहिए?
want to correct you. We've been selected
In 13 festivals.
13 festivals.
National
yeah.
and international. We
Yeah.
won 3 awards.
ओके
But selection हमारे 13 हुए हैं.
ओके, तो क्या कुछ कहना चाहिए? आप कितनी हैप्पी थे आप इस मोमेंट पे? और
बहुत खुशी
So,
होती है।
हाँ, I think इतना we had not imagined
Yeah.
that it will go to this level.
Hmm.
When as I said, it was very organic, like from how it began to how it shaped up, and it was all happening very beautifully and very
Yes.
I think lovely people came together, all very talented people came
Hmm.
together for the project. And but हमने इतना नहीं सोचा था कि you know first international जब selection आया we were happy, फिर second,
We
फिर
were dancing.
third,
We were not
and-
happy. We were
Yeah.
dancing.
and then when it kept on coming, then you know you also
Yeah.
get more confident कि,
About your film.
and you're happy कि what you have been a part of is doing so well all across.
Yes.
प्रोड्यूसर
So-
से पूछना चाहता हूँ कि कोई अनएक्सपेक्टेड हर्डल्स थे ड्यूरिंग द जर्नी?
अब तक तो नहीं. No,
तो
it's all
कोई-
been very smooth sailing.
तो कोई अनएक्सपेक्टेड बेनिफिट्स?
Benefits अभी रिलीज होगी तो मालूम पड़ेगा.
ओके, सो लास्टली आप ऑडियंस को क्या कहना चाहेंगे?
Achha, so there is this very one important thing that we are planning to do today. Nisha, you want to talk
So
about
our teaser has released today, our trailer, which is on the Shortcut channel on YouTube. After which we are starting a Break the Silence hashtag, which is about people who need to come out in the open and not just be trapped within, which
Yeah.
even
So it's
So this happens like even in our society, and it is not just about LGBT. Even others, it might be a housewife, it might be a child, a college going child, or anybody who's suffering in life. We know abhi depression is really on the rise in our society, and a lot of suicides and everything is happening across. So, and the one thing which comes out after every particular such incident when it comes out in the newspapers is that we are not talking. So abhi the big chef, you know, Alan Bourdain, he committed suicide. So you see, and it is not even strata wise. So it is happening all across. There's no age group involved. It's happening all across. So our this particular campaign that we are talking about, it is break the silence. That everybody who is suffering, please reach out. It can be anybody. If you can reach out to your parents, reach out to your friends. Do not keep quiet about it. Talk to somebody, and that can save a life.
So that is one
Yeah.
thing, and of course the biggest thing is that we are releasing this film on again the Shortcut channel on the 15th
like
June.
after
Now
2 days.
after 2 days it's going to be on air for everyone to watch it, so please do log in and watch it.
Yes, guys, we have worked very hard on this film
Yes.
with lots of love and lots of dedication and honesty.
Yes.
And so we all want that you open the channel, go on the channel Shortcuts, watch our film, share, and recommend it to your friends to watch it. See us looking pretty and nice and acting very beautifully. You'll love the candles, and that shot is my favorite.
Yes.
And there are beautiful moments in the film, and there are beautiful moments in the film, and आप लोग को बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. I am an actor, and we all experience, you know, when we are acting, we experience moments. So in this film, I have really experienced very beautiful moments. और I am sure आप लोगों को भी बहुत अच्छा लगेगा. So please watch it when it's releasing.
Break the silence. Please go and share it
Share
with all
it,
your
like
friends,
it,
and
watch it.
yeah, you can
Yes.
follow us on our Facebook and Insta page also. It's called Rosanna Another Day.
Rosanna Another Day.
Yeah.
Another day is the English title. Yes.
Yes.
Thank you.
All right. Thank you.
Thank you.